Mahua is the maple tree of India. Canada is known as the land of maple leaf. Maple tree is very colorful and stunning during the autumn. It gives sap which is used to make the famous maple syrup and maple sugar. India has a similar tree called Mahua. It sheds its leaves in winter and the new red leaves emerge in autumn. The leaves turn from red to yellowish and finally green with sun's exposure, as you can see on the next trees. Mahua is a very important source for its sweetness of flowers. These flowers emerge when tree has shed all its leaves. These flowers are used for food and medicinal purposes besides making alcohol. Villagers make meaty puri, halwa, etc. with mahua flowers. In Ayurveda, they are used for protecting the liver. They are also used for curing ulcers, wounds, and many other problems. Mahua flowers are given to the lactating mothers to increase their milk production. Mahua is quite different from other flowers that you see. These flowers are round. When they fall, they are wet. The flower is sweet with a slight taste of bitterness. The bitterness varies from tree to tree. These flowers dry naturally in 3 days in summer and taste like raisins. We have a few trees where the flowers hardly have bitterness. Mahua is a big boon for tribals and other forest dwellers in India. It contributes significant part of the rural economy. The mature flowers drop from the trees from 3 in the morning till 10. In every household, women and children go to the forest to pick up these flowers. Erratic weather is disturbing the Mahua economy and social dynamics. This year, due to shortages, the prices of Mahua flowers reached Rs 45 per kg, while last year during the same time they used to be around 25 to 28 rupees per kg. This year crop had been very poor. People say that it's even 30% of what it was last year. We observed that wherever there is a water source close by, Mahua production has not dropped. In other places, you can feel the loss. It appears that drop in the ground level water could be affecting the production of these flowers. There is also a possibility of climate change affecting their produce. Though boom and bust are common in nature, if the declining trend continues, it will impact the rural economy.
हाँ, मैं हूँ, मेरा नाम भरोसा है। मैं एक ग्राम गंजराहा का निवासी हूँ। पोस्ट पड़वार, चौकी अमरपुर, थाना इंदवार, तहसील उमरिया। तो इसका ये है कि मैं जंगल में पौधा नहीं लेता हूँ, न फूल उठाता हूँ। यहाँ किसानों की फूल महुआ लेता हूँ। तो जो फ़ायदा है, 6 बजे से हम लोग आते हैं परिवार लेकर। तो इस परिवार में हमको कभी कभी कोनो संबंध से 10-5 इसमें मजदूरी पड़ती। इस वर्ष इतना महुआ मारा गया फूल, इसमें मजदूरी नहीं पड़ रही। इस मजदूरी खेत लेते हैं तो 5,000, 6,000, 10,000 जहाँ जैसा फसल होती है। इस साल 800 फसल का नुकसान बहुत जोरदार है। इसमें चौवन्नी फायदा हमको नहीं।
The maple of India is facing threats. People had cut down rest of the trees and left Mahua trees for their commercial value. Traditionally, Mahua trees were never harmed. But of late, with rural housing picking up, they are also being cut surreptitiously to be used as fuel for making bricks. Mahua is a very fragile tree. You can see Mahua trees falling in storms. Sometimes even the big branches fall without much notice. When you go around, you see mostly mature Mahua trees but not the young ones. We need to encourage plantation of Mahua trees and protect them to sustain the traditional rural economy. Otherwise, we can see a major loss of Mahua trees in the next 20 years.